Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Today, you all, is the premiere of the Chanel and Michelle TV.
Yes.
So, we are here like we promised we would be. We have a seafood boil today. And
We have mussels.
yes, we do.
We have some super colossal jumbo shrimp.
Mm-hmm.
And we have some king crab legs.
So, y'all, we've been preparing. Oh. And let's not forget, we have.
Oh yeah, you know we got the drinks.
You know we got the drinks. So, today we have the pineapple berry sangria that we have put together. Y'all see that? Look at
It's
that.
good too, y'all.
Yes, it is. Yes, it
It's
is.
a little something light, you know.
Mhm. Not too heavy today. We keeping it light, but that's good. So we are going to say our grace, and we gonna get into this. Okay. Lord, we just want to thank you for the food that we are about to receive, for the nourishment of our bodies, for Christ's sake. Amen.
Amen.
Amen. So y'all, Miss Chanel over here is going to try a mussel for the first time.
Yes, y'all pray my strength in the Lord.
Pray her strength in the Lord. She's never done it. Lord have mercy. Hey, let's go.
Should I try one first? Get it over with.
Go ahead
I'm
and get
so
over it.
scared, y'all.
Just get one.
I'm scared. I'm nervous.
Lord, she'll
My
be
palms
alright.
are sweaty, y'all.
Yes. Oh my goodness. This is what I have to go through when it's time to try
Y'all,
something.
look. Ooh.
Just put it down in the sauce. Down in the
What's
sauce.
that?
A
That's
part
his little
of-
stomach.
That's oh gosh, Lord, y'all see what I have to go through. That's all right.
Oh my God! Look at that!
Who told you to pick it apart? You were supposed to be trying it, not dissecting it. See, y'all see what I'm talking about? Lord, so now y'all get to see live and full and in color what I have to go through. Dip it in this well. Lord, I tell y'all.
Oh my God!
So y'all, while we waiting on that,
Yo! Oh!
how have y'all been? You know, we are excited to launch our channel.
It's okay.
But
It's not bad. It's good.
But it's not for her.
It's just that thing in the middle.
It's okay.
Like that was a real live organ. I don't know. Anyway, how y'all doing?
Mm-hmm.
I hope everyone's having a good day.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
We are definitely having a great day.
Yes. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh,
Because you know we love seafood.
And when I tell you,
Oh, these some big boys. Y'all look at that.
well, y'all, we have been waiting to launch this, and now here we are.
Yes.
we hope y'all doing well today too. We hope everybody's good. So, but yeah, y'all, we just have been preparing and getting ready.
I forgot there's a lemon wedge.
For this book. Look, one that fell down in mine too.
Okay. Oh God. Them scissors work.
It sure did.
Good.
Y'all.
So, originally, you know, we said that our channel is going to mainly be convos and cocktails with a seafood boil here and there because we love seafood. And we know you guys like to watch seafood, okay?
Yes.
But, I'm going to leave the email address to Chanel Michelle TV in the comments, and I want you guys to email us either some scenarios or life issues or problems that you want to see other people's views on them. Some interesting topics. Of course, we're going to come up with our own, but we also would like feedback from our subscribers as to what you guys want to chat about.
Yes.
Also, from time to time, you know, once we build subscribers, we'll do some live combos and cocktails as well. So look for that email address in the comments and in the description. Email us and let us know what you guys want to talk about. We could talk about world issues, we could talk about relationships, we could talk about just about anything. With that being said, whatever we discuss, anything that we discuss on this channel is not to offend anyone, as we all know that some topics are very controversial, and you know, different people have different views on issues that are going on in the world and life.
And we don't want to step on anybody's toes.
And we're not stepping on anyone's toes, you know, but we want everyone to talk. And I think the world would be a better place if people could just talk
and communicate
and accept that everyone is different from you.
Right.
So, yeah. So y'all hit us up with those ideas, what y'all want to talk about. It could be in the news, or it could be just something that you know,
want to hear
about.
We'll be more than happy to touch on that subject, whatever it might be. But yes, y'all. But yes, so we done. Y'all, when I say this is so good.
It is.
Look at her over there, over there showing off. But yes. So,
do I have it on? Okay, on more.
Yeah, but yes, like Chanel said, you know, just comment below or to the email, like she said, and let us know some topics you would like to hear us discuss. Please subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, subscribe.
I think we're gonna have a lot of fun on this channel. I think you guys are really going to enjoy us. Today is just the beginning. Just the beginning. So we are excited and we're pumped. We ready to rock and roll. You know, now I'm gonna tell y'all, if if it's some other seafood that you would like to see us nibble upon,
don't get too outrageous.
Yeah,
I'm not doing no squid.
Don't get too.
I'm not doing that.
But you know, I eat a little more seafood than she does. So just please send your suggestions. It looks like those green lip mussels are really popular. So we will be coming to you with some of those, which I probably will be eating by myself.
I'll try it, but I'm not just gonna be like, oh, you know what? I'm having mussels today. No, I'm not doing that. But I'll try.
But she'll try. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But anyway. But yes, we just been getting prepared and getting ready for this.
Mm-hmm.
So, you know, and getting ready to see y'all.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. And you know, I'ma tell y'all, you know, I read a lot of blogs and different stuff like that. And I came across something very interesting where D-Ray, y'all know D-Ray from the barbershop, and he's done different things. And come to find out, this some of y'all probably already know, but he is in love with 2 women.
Oh my God.
And they know about each other, honey.
They okay with it?
Oh yeah, they together, smiling in the pictures and everything.
Must be the money.
Well, let me tell you something. I couldn't do it.
No, me either.
It's only
gonna be one me.
And I'm gonna tell you something else.
One or none.
And I'm gonna tell y'all something else too. Only one queen and one king. It can't. You try to do more than that, you gonna have something on your hand.
Yeah. There's a crowd.
I mean, to each their own. I'm not knocking him,
but at the same time, though, women need to not settle
and put their foot down. That's what I'm talking about.
Women need not to settle.
I'm
when
trying
we
to
settle,
tell y'all,
we're okay in the crowd, and that's why I'm gonna keep doing it. Because somebody out there okay in it.
Exactly. Because they are doing what we allow. And I'm going to tell you what. That there is not allowed.
No.
Excuse me, y'all. It's going to be a little messy today. But, yeah. Like Chanel was saying, people will do what's allowed, and now it's one thing if he got you thinking and then you find out after the fact, different. Right? But you knowing and you just, oh yeah, okay, no. At least that ain't flowing as well.
But see, the sad part about it is there are women out there that are okay with being number 2. They're okay with it. I don't understand it.
I don't either.
I don't understand that.
Me either. But like I said,
and they're okay with messing with married men. Like,
that's another thing I don't.
Knowingly, you know
that he married.
Like, this man is married. He done told you that. He done told you he ain't leaving his wife.
Or either he tells you the lie. I'm a leaver. And been telling you that same lie since Jesus roamed the earth. And you still sitting up there, and now you upset. But you know, my whole thing about it is, too, I'm a firm believer that what goes around comes around. The same way he creeping with you,
he gonna creep with somebody.
Even if he were to leave the wife. Let's just go all the way out there and say that he did leave the wife. Okay, he's going to do the same thing to you. It's only a matter of time.
More than likely. And sometimes you find where they actually settle with the other woman after the main woman or wife
Done kicked
has
them to
built
the curb.
no. That's not what I'm saying.
What?
Has built them up.
Oh,
When
yes.
she met him, he had nothing.
Had nothing. Was staying on his mama couch.
Exactly. And then she finds him and she builds him up.
Mm-hmm.
And then he's with her for a few years, and he get on his feet and get a little cocky. Then he goes out and meets Becky with the big old booty.
With the good hair.
And leaves his good thing for Becky, who, number one, don't know how to wash a dish, or she won't wash a dish,
and can't
she don't
cook.
know how to boil eggs. She can't boil rice.
Can't wash no clothes.
Can't wash. She don't
Can't
know
clean
color
no house.
from whites. And you go over there with her, and you wine and dine and do all the things that you wouldn't do for the one that kept you.
That's what I'm talking about. Just like old boy off of when Tyler Perry did the Why Did I Get Married? And Jill Scott played that role.
Oh yes, you talking about little Mike?
Yes.
Oh.
And he was looking real sick and twisted in the end.
And she got her king.
And not only that, in the second movie, I don't know if y'all remember.
Oh yeah.
But he got bad off sick. In the same one that he did how he did, left her for the friend, which she was nowhere to be found, honey. Nowhere. Who had to take care of him?
No, she helped him.
Yeah,
some
she
kind
did.
of way.
She was
Yes,
over
she
there
did.
helping
Yes,
to
she
take
did.
care of
You're
him.
right. You're
And
right.
remember, the husband found out about
He
it,
was
and he
upset.
flipped the lid.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna tell y'all, you know, I don't get it, but people do what they do, and see, and then what happens is, you know, you have, which we saw something in the news a couple weeks ago, where this
lady,
this with the sword,
she had the what kind of samurai
sword, honey. So we talking about something about one. If anybody seen Kill Bill, or any type of, you know, one of them ninja Tokyo films, you've seen what, you know, a samurai sword looks like. And I don't think she killed him, but he was in like critical condition.
She cut that up.
Yes, she did. And, you know, it was one of them situations where
she found the strand of hair in the shower and it wasn't hers.
And see, well, I figure, just reading in between the lines, if she went crazy about that strand of hair, he done cheated before. Or she done caught him in some stuff before, because that's why she was so on edge, and she just lost it. Now, you got the man, last we heard, he cut up. His mom and daddy, they upset. The kids looking crazy because they don't know what's going on. See, you know, sometimes instead of bringing out the best in you, people can bring out the worst. And when you see it gets to that point, it's time to walk away, because it ain't worth being in nobody's jail.
But the part that us as women have to realize is, if you lack self-confidence,
Yes,
in yourself, you're always going to think that you have to put up with garbage.
that's correct.
When that confidence kick in, you're going to be like, I ain't got to put up with this. No, I ain't putting up with it. Got to have that confidence in yourself.
You really
You
do.
have to love yourself.
You do.
Enough to know that, hey, I'm worth more than this.
That's correct. You know, you got to have that confidence in yourself, and you got to know, and you got to let other people know that you, you ain't down for whatever. Okay.
Yeah. Because once you let them know that you ain't putting up with it, they will either get right or get lost.
There you go. One of the two. It is no if, ands, or buts.
Because number one, they're going to get, if they ain't with it, they're going to get tired of hearing your mouth about it.
Right.
And if they want to keep you, just straighten up.
Like she said, either that or they'll get go on about their business one.
Mm-hmm.
One or two.
This is good.
It really is.
And these crab legs are really good.
Mm-hmm. They are good.
Oh, Jesus.
But yeah, y'all. So, but that's what we be looking at. Those different stuff like that. And you have to let people know.
Mm-hmm.
You really do. That you are who you are.
Yep.
And you're not going to put up with all this foolishness. And then, you know, what really cracks me up sometimes is when I see these women with these men that don't have no job.
Ain't trying to get
Ain't
no job.
trying to work, and you busted your behind trying to keep everything
He dropping
together.
you at work, off at work.
And riding around in your car all the day.
Your gas.
Uh-huh. I'm trying to tell you. He out keeping it real in the hood. And you up there clocking on the clock. Mm-mm.
Mm-hmm.
That ain't gonna go.
No.
Or either. Like she said, I'm just gonna touch on that again because that was a wonderful point. You find these men and you help to mold and really bring them into themselves, and you know, and then they got the nerve to leave you looking twisted and confused and go off and be with somebody else. And then now, once they go off and be with the person, because you know, of course, everybody thinks the grass is green on the other side. So they get over there and find out that she ain't what she talking about. Now they looking pitiful, and now they see the error of their ways.
Mm-hmm. You need to cut down.
But like they say, when a woman's fed up, when I tell you it is nothing you can do about it.
Nothing.
Well, y'all, see, nothing you can do about it at all.
Nothing at all.
But yeah, so y'all just let us know,
Yeah.
please.
What y'all want to talk about?
Cause we can just go on and on. Trust me. We just gets into conversations and we just go on and on.
Yep. All that meat. Nothing but meat. We'll warm it up.
Yes, y'all. We are happy. Happy to share this moment with y'all. The official launch of our channel. And like I said, we really think that you guys are going to enjoy our channel and have a good time with it.
Yes. It's been up the whole time.
What's that?
Baby doll
Oh,
behind me.
but yeah, y'all.
This sauce is so good.
I'm so glad that you like it and it came out well. I'm gonna tell y'all what else we seen this week. Did y'all see the video clip where the little lady down there at the school
Oh gosh.
popped the boy all upside the head?
60-something years old. She
Oh.
wailed on that boy's head
Ooh, Jesus.
and got paid leave.
Yes, she did.
She lucky she made it down now
Yeah, for real.
to the place.
I'm trying to tell you.
Cause her name, I'm sorry, if that had been my child, whether he was right or wrong, you ain't got no business putting your hands on not like that. Well, period. You shouldn't. Let me do that. But she wailed on that child's head. I don't know how sane I would be.
Tell y'all.
They probably would have had to call the National Guard and everything, because I'm sorry. I probably would have tore up that darn school. And her too.
Yep. Trying to tell y'all. I said, Lord, there be so much going on in the news to the point. It's just so much.
Mm-hmm.
So much. So, but yes.
Mm-hmm. Honey.
I know. Y'all, we not gonna finish all this time. I'm gonna tell you that right
It's
now.
gonna be a few shrimp left.
Yeah, it's gonna be some
And a few
stuff.
legs.
It's gonna be some stuff left. Yes, we will. We'll finish it.
Yeah, because I'm getting kind of full.
Yes, yes, and we still gotta save room for our drink.
Yeah, because we can't waste the drink.
Oh, you know, just like we told y'all before, many don't burn no chicken, and we don't waste no drinks. Lord,
Excuse me. Yes, and so I have a channel, the Keta Chanel channel, on YouTube. So you guys go over there and subscribe as well. And I do have Miss Stephanie Michelle on there with me on a few seafood mukbangs. So that'll give y'all some other videos to check out. I'm also into beauty, so I got a couple of makeup tutorials on there so far.
and honey, let me tell y'all, excuse me, when I tell you that Peacock Nights was everything, it was everything. Y'all have got to go and check out that video. It was phenomenal.
Thank you. I try, y'all. But, you know, I learn from YouTube, so I feel like I'm giving back, you know. So, yeah, y'all go over and check me out. I'll leave my channel link in the description. And, you know, yeah.
I'm sorry.
Look at you. Look at you.
I apologize. You know we eat seafood. She just want to fuss at me today. It's okay.
Oh, my God. This is good. I might have another shrimp.
Yeah, I think this is my last one.
Oh, yeah. We'll have a good bit left.
We will. We'll be able to
little
lunch
snack.
later. Yeah, y'all. I think we might do a little twirling out on the town tonight.
Yes, and maybe I'm gonna set you up with the channel so you can vlog, and we could do some footage. Because I was gonna vlog tonight for Keta Chanel, but maybe you can get on your phone and vlog a little bit, and we show a little bit of what we gonna get into.
So y'all can see.
Yeah, because we're new to the Charlotte area, and
Yes,
we got a lot of exploring to do.
A lot.
Yes.
Hey, I just want to tell y'all know All Stars gonna be here.
Oh, yes, and we're going to be lit for All-Star 2019. So we'll probably be flooding your timelines with our
Flooding
vlogs, with our vlogs and our Because we already got out some event passes off Eventbrite.
Yes, we did.
So, yes. We are going to be lit.
Yes, we will.
Probably CIAA too, because that's right. They'll be right there together. Y'all, it's going to be so.
It's going down. So, and I'm going to try to, contain myself. I'm going to try to contain
We're going to try to
myself.
get to the game and pray our strength in the Lord that we are not on the news. Because this is a diehard LeBron fan. Anybody brush up against him, she hollering.
Yes.
She might be down on the court, might get us kicked out.
Yes, I get
so
upset.
Y'all just pray.
You're about to touch the king. Y'all do.
Y'all keep us in prayer for next year. Y'all start praying now.
Please do.
So that we're totally covered.
So we covered.
Because this, y'all gonna see me flying. Stephanie, get back up here. We ain't supposed to be down now. Security throwing us out.
All kind of stuff.
Pray for us, y'all. Because this is a fool for LeBron James. Okay?
Yes. That is so true.
Wherever he goes, she goes.
Wherever he go. It don't matter. I promise you. Wherever he go, I go. That's
and maybe I can record, maybe catch her in action watching games when she's coaching.
Oh, yes.
And she's threatening, who is that she be threatening with noodles?
I'm talking about Kevin Love.
Love with the noodles. And when I heard that he threw the bowl of noodles at the coach.
That was JR.
That was JR. I said, Lord.
It was a bowl of soup.
They done gave JR soup. What he do?
I don't know what he did. But it was something, But yes, y'all. So we are excited about being in the city. Yes, please pray. Please pray. But we are excited about being in the city. And, my husband, as well as Kia's brother, they are diehard Panther fans. So, we gonna check out a couple of them too. Don't get me wrong. I like the Panthers. I support them. Yes, we like Cam. Shout out to Cam.
And I love Keekly.
Yes, we like Keekly a lot. Yes, we do.
Yes. And I love all the other kitty cats.
Yes, we do. So, we are, y'all just don't understand. We are pumped about being here. All the different stuff we're going to be able to do. We are so excited, and we thank God that this transition has finally come to.
We've been talking about this for
y'all just don't understand.
About 2 years.
We have. So here we are, and we are overjoyed to be able to bring you guys along with us on the journey, and we think you're going to have a great time. So, and we like to have a good time. We just like to cut up and, chat it up and laugh and carry on.
Good fun.
Yes.
Good vibes.
That's what we like.
No messiness.
Nuh-uh. None of that over
No
here.
shade. No tea. None of that. We will not be spilling tea on this channel.
None of that.
None of that. This is good. Die hard fun.
Oh, excuse me, y'all.
It's okay.
Mm-hmm.
Good fun. So we hope you guys enjoyed us today. Mm-hmm. We have about 3 mussels left, about 7 shrimp, and a couple of king crab legs. We could not finish it, so don't come for us too bad in the comments. Because I know a lot of the seafood boys, you want everyone to, finish it.
Everything.
Finish everything. Excuse me. We didn't finish. It was a bit much.
It was.
But the most important part is we came to enjoy you guys.
Yes,
and so with that being said, thank you for watching. And we will chat it up with y'all later.
Yes, we will. And before we go, just one last thing.
Don't forget. Hit that subscribe. What you waiting on? Hold on.
Pause.
We're going to pause and we're going to wait 5 seconds.
For y'all to...
It shouldn't take you 5 seconds. But hit that subscribe. It's red. It's down there. Maybe to the right. Mm-hmm. Hit that subscribe button. Mm-hmm. Hit that notification bell.
And comment down below.
Comment down below what y'all want to talk about.
Yes.
Well, email us. Or if it's something private and you want to email us and you don't want everyone to see your comment, email us and we will keep all of those discreet.
Yes, we will.
And won't call you out. So, thank you guys for stopping by. We've enjoyed this chit-chat seafood boil mukbang with you all. We're going to head out because we got to get ready for tonight.
Yes, honey.
Okay.
You see she playing because I'm about done. You see what I'm saying?
Slurp it up.
You see what I'm saying?
You know, I'm trying to be lady like them.
Give a bite of this pineapple here.
All right, until next time, guys. Bye.